Morning. So, I don't even know what day we're on now of the holiday. However, today's plan, we're going to go and find a bike rental company of sort, get a couple of bikes, and ride over to some waterfalls, and maybe check out some beaches and try and do some snorkeling. I tried to do some snorkeling yesterday, but the visibility in the water wasn't all that clear. I don't know if the waves were smashing up the sand or something, so it was all pretty murky when I was in there. And I saw a jellyfish, so I got a bit scared. But yeah, so plan is get some bikes. Arrived at Pamuayan Falls. It's one of the local falls in this area, so we're gonna go check it out. It looks like a little bit of a walk up some hill and a bit of a dirt track, so see you there. I'm just heading along this dirt path. It's quite a nice little walk actually. I've got the drone up trying to get a bit of it, but it's quite hard to navigate because of the terrain. We've made it. It's just there. So we've been here for like 15-20 minutes or so, maybe even longer. The water is very cold, but rather refreshing after the hike up here, sweating your ass off. So it was a nice little dip to get in there afterwards. But now I think we're going to head on to the next beach and see what that has to offer. Don't know where we are, but we're trying to find this beach. We can see the sands that way, but I don't know how to get to the beach. This is awesome. It's like raised platform. Wow, it goes all the way that way. What the hell? This is cool, boy. It's a bit rickety though. Just standing between the two of them. Oh, that one's a bit creaky. At least if you're in the middle of two. Yes! Look at that. That's cool. I just love it. Wow. Hey, doggo. Hey, your boy. Wow, look at this beach. This is like a little paradise beach. Cool. Look at there. This water is very warm. It's like running the hot tap of a bath for the most of the day. Like Emma just said, it's actually colder out of the water, and that's hot. I'm sweating. Got me Senna coconut. Yummy. Just tried and been for a snorkel, but it doesn't quite seem to be the beach for that. It just stays all the way out there, stays shallow. You can see actually that person over there is lying down. All the way past that boat over there, man. You can still stand up. It's just shallow. Look at this guy running in it. It just doesn't get deep. Ever so weird. But not very good for snorkeling. So there goes the beach. We stopped for a little bit and now I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go find some food. I'm so hungry. Wow, I like that dance, Emma. Can you do it one more time for the camera? No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yeah, I think that'll be his clothes, look there. Cool little. Dude, look at this freaking pig.
It's a freaking
Look at freaking pig in the freaking palm tree.
It's a freaking piggy palm tree.
Freaking pig and a goat in a freaking palm tree. I can't even remember where I got to with this video, but we've just been chilling inside this float. We had some food there upstairs, and then we had some drinks, and I fell asleep on one of the beanbags, so now it's dark. But that was lovely. Lovely sleep. I really needed it in that. And I think we're gonna go and get our laundry now.
Samantalang there's a more position for intang inside. Ng pastor testa or testa bobo sa bandang 3 meters ang tira ng popular pastoring bounding bangoy aabante at bobo lang nos. There's very good for 2. Matalang dyan po nagtatapos ang ating game for 3rd division sa score.